So let's talk about the question of why and the answer of because. Do you know how to ask why?
Angoa.
Angoa. Angoa. There is ango. Ango is what? Okay? But if you want to ask why, you say Nikech. Nikech ango. Nikech. Nikech ango. Nikech ango means why. But in direct translation, you can say it also means because of what. You see, ango is what? Ango is what? And if you say Nikech, Nikech means because. Give me the word that means you are sleeping. You are sleeping. It can also be a question. You are sleeping. To sleep is nindo. Nindo is sleep, and it also means to sleep. So we conjugate nindo, right? If you want to say I am sleeping, you say
Anindo.
anindo. And you are sleeping?
Unindo.
That is if you are many, but if one person?
Inindo.
Inindo. So this can be a question. Inindo. 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 Inindo is like you are sleeping. So you can ask, why are you sleeping? I've given you both. You are sleeping, inindo. Why is Nikech? Nikechango. So ask the question, why are you sleeping?
Nikechango inindo.
Nikechango inindo. Nikechango inindo. Or it can also be the other way around. You can reverse it also and say inindo nikechango. Okay? Nikechango inindo. Inindo nikechango. Now, let me just write that. Nikech ango inindo. Why are you sleeping? It can also be inindo nikechango. Inindo nikechango. So nikechango inindo. Inindo nikech ango. Now you want to explain why you are sleeping. Now to explain why you are sleeping, I'll give you another verb. Not really a verb. There is a word all. All is to be tired. All to be tired, okay? So you can use the same way we have conjugated the verb to conjugate all. So you can say, I am tired, you would say all. You are tired? Yol. Now the way we are conjugating it, it looks like a verb. He is tired? All. So I want you to answer this question. Nikechango inindo. Inindo nikechango.
Nikech aol.
Yeah, nikech aol. Anindo nikech aol. So you just say Nikech. Nikech is because. Nikech. So you simply say Nikech aol. Now I wanted to ask the question, Why is he sleeping? And then what would the answer be? Why is he sleeping?
He named Nikech out.
He.
Oh.
Why is he sleeping? That's the question.
Or named Nikech.
Onindo Nikechango. Okay.
Nikech.
Yeah, Onindo Nikechango. Then the answer is Nikech. Nikech all. Okay. Now, what of why are you sleeping? You many people.
Nikech.
The question first.
Who named Nikechango?
Yeah, Unindo Nikechango. Unindo Nikechango. And then the answer is
Nikech.
Nikech.
Nikech. Wow.
Nikech all. Yes. Again, it's the conjugation of the verbs. You know, we said for us, we, it wa, and then u, and then gi. Yes. So one indo Nikech wa all. Okay. Yeah. So that is how to ask the question of why and to give the answer of because. Why and Nikechango? Because is Nikech, and so you can ask Nikechango uleo. Leo is to be late. It's like Leo in Kiswahili, but Leo is to be late. It could be with O or W or Leo, to be late. So somebody can ask you, uleo Nikechango. Uleo Nikechango. You remember we learned the verb wuotho, huh? Wuotho. Now wuotho, to walk. And then slowly, mos. Mos is slowly. So I wanted to say they are late because they are walking slowly. They are late because they are walking slowly.
Gileo Nikech.
Gileo Nikech.
Giwotomos.
Yes, Gileo Nikech giwotomos. Gileo. We can actually write with W. Gileo. That looks better than this one. Gileo. Gileo Nikech giwotomos. Gileo Nikech giwotomos. Okay? So that's how you can ask why and answer because.